So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today day 2 at Maredumilli. So today's plan is to explore Maredumilli. So last night we stayed here in the tents. In the background you can see. So we parked our bikes here. So this is holiday resort, which is from Maredumilli 20 kilometers. So resort is fully surrounded with all this lush green trees, and they have tents background you can see, and also a washroom this side, washroom to get fresh. Yeah, this side. Yeah, this side. So we stayed in these two tents, and this side we had the campfire last night. Breakfast is complimentary when you're taking stay. Let's see what is there. Bonda, idli, dosa, ఇది చట్నీ, టమాటా అల్లం చట్నీ. Okay. So we are packing our bags and we will head towards the Rampa Chodavaram Waterfalls. From this resort 7 kilometers is there. This is towards the Rajahmundry road, and after that we would be covering Amrutadhara Waterfalls. So guys, we are going to see a lake which is in the resort. So we have to take
ప్రైవేట్ లేక్ కాదు, మనం వెళ్ళడానికి.
అదే కానీ చూసి వెళ్ళాలి. ఇక్కడ కొంచెం అరే సౌండ్ వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడే ఉంది అయితే. ఇక్కడ కనబడుతుంది చూడు. డర్ట్ బైక్స్ అయితే వచ్చేస్తాయి కిందికి తెలుసా.
అవును,
అరే వచ్చినాయి అబ్బా, అంటే
చేసినారు వీళ్ళు.
అన్నమాట.
బాగుంది కదా
ఇక్కడ
రన్నింగ్ వాటర్. అక్కడ వెళ్ళినా కూడా ఇదే ఉంటుంది.
నేను ఏమంటున్నాంటే ఇక్కడ కూడా టెంట్ వేసేసుకోవచ్చు. బాగుందా, బాగా తీరుతుంది. So we reached the Rampa Chodavaram waterfall. So we have to take towards this road. Lot of rocks are there. I think 200 meters from here. Also water stream is flowing from up to down. So we have to cross all these stones and go. ఎంత దూరం ఉంది పైకి? అవునా, ఓకే. ఒక 200 meters ఉంటుందా? 300 ఉంటుంది. I think around 300 meters we have to climb up these small rocks. cool breeze is coming. Wow, lovely weather. नहीं, उसको नीचे भी जाए तो आता 1 घंटे के बाद आता. अरे ऊपर को ही है भाई, 1/2 किलोमीटर से ज्यादा ही है. पानी पूरा वाइट आता धूप की तरह. अगर हिला देख के मार दो. बट प्रेशर उतना नहीं है, बारिश के टाइम में ज़्यादा होगा. हाँ, स्ट्रीम वाटर ही है. Cool breeze is coming. Ah, amazing man. मस्त है ना. छोटा है पर फिर भी अच्छा है. कूल ब्रीज आ रहा देखो. Nice. Water is chill, man. Woo! चारों मिलकर लेंगे. आ जाओ. नहीं हाइड्रोफोबिक. एक पानी बूंद मेरे ऊपर गिरा तो मैं मर जाता हूँ. डालो. ठीक है. I hope you like this waterfall video. In case if you like, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next vlog.